We all experience that voice that says we are not good enough, we're not supposed to be there. You just got recruited or employed in that organization, but already you feel not qualified for that position. You feel that they're going to find out about you, that you actually not the best person that they should have employed. So today's chat will actually be on imposter syndrome, where I'm going to highlight some ideas on what are these symptoms of you feeling like you are an imposter in that organization. So my name is Patisa. I'm the career coach. I talk all things about career improvement, career coaching, personal development, personal mastery. So thanks for being here. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's talk about this imposter syndrome. So how does it show up? So it shows up by, firstly, sometimes you may find that you are downplaying your achievement. People give me compliments and they say you did well in that project, but all you say is, I got lucky, oh, it's nothing, or you don't even acknowledge or you give credit to other people. You're just not owning your successes. So that's one of the symptoms that you may have imposter syndrome that you need to actually work on. Another one is fear of failure. So you could be having this crippling fear of failure that is paralyzing. So they give you an assignment or a project that they at work and they say go do this, and you just feel that you're not the person that should be doing this. You keep looking around and you're saying no to projects, and you're saying no to interviews, you're saying no to promotions because you feel like you're not ready. To you are just never ready for this next step that you are given. When your boss keeps on saying it's time for you to be a manager now, you could be feeling this crippling fear that says, no, I need to go study, I need to go, I need more time, things like that. So that is another sign that you could be having imposter syndrome. And number 3, you could be overworking yourself so much, so to the point that you do not have weekends. When you come back from work, you take work from home, you take work home, because you are just feeling this feeling that you need to be on top of your game. If you do not do everything right, if you don't go through that report over and over again, they're going to find out that you are an imposter. So this is overworking. You're not there for your family members, you're not available. They're wondering, where is this person, where is this lady, where is this man in the house? Because you're busy working, you're busy trying to prove yourself to everyone in that company and also to yourself, because you have this feeling that it is not, you're not going to make it. They're going to find out that you're actually a fraud in that company. So this is very serious and it can be very detrimental to your health. Please pay attention to that as well. Make sure that you take care of yourself. Another sign number 4, is you being reluctant to asking for help. So we've seen those people who do not ask for help. They keep taking all the projects and they keep saying, I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. But never ask for help. Never say, look, actually I need assistance. Please, can we hire somebody? Or getting assistance even in terms of coaching, in terms of help. Maybe your siblings, even at home, you feel like you are this superwoman, that you're going to handle everything yourself, that you don't need help. So that could be a sign that you really feeling that imposter. You feel like when you get help, then you're not, it just, it's a sign that you're actually not good enough to be this wonderful mother that you think you are, or this boss that you think you are in that role. Another sign, which is sign number 5, is constant comparison. So you're actually comparing yourself to other mothers. you're comparing yourself to your colleagues at work, your other peers, your other managers in the job, and you're saying, but I should actually do better. I should be better in these presentations. I should be better in my reports. I should do these things like John over there who is excelling. We are in the same level, so I should also be exactly like that person, you know. So you're always looking at your weaknesses. So those are the signs that you could be feeling like you're a fraud, you're not measuring up to that role. So that is all I have today. So I gave you 5. So we started with imposter syndrome. Number 1 was you downplaying your achievement, and number 2 was you fearing failure to the point that you do not achieve, or you don't go and chase the goals that you want to chase because you're so afraid of failing. Another one that we said is you overworking yourself to the bone, making sure that everything is done, relooking and reviewing things that you are doing, and just not feeling that you put in the effort that is needed. Another one that you said, you being reluctant, seeking help. So that could be a sign that you really an imposter. You really feeling like an imposter. Constant comparison, we spoke about it, that you always compare yourself to others. So I would like to know from you, I mean, which of these areas do you feel that they resonate with you the most? And I mean, what have you done to fix it? And are there any areas that I have not mentioned that you feel that you spot, or it triggers you feeling like an imposter in your level as a boss, or maybe as an employee? So I want you to start recognizing this so that you can make changes on it. And if you want to feel better at work, be actually feel good about who you are and not feel like an imposter, I've got a program set for you. So please check the link on my bio so that we can have sessions with you. You can sign up, you can find out, and please don't forget to subscribe and to press the notification button so that you can hear more of this content. I appreciate you for staying in this, for being here, because this is very difficult. This could be very difficult, detrimental to your health, and you could be not enjoying this work that you have been given, or these offers that you are not taking are pulling you back. They are holding you back from being the best version of yourself. So I'll see you again on my next video. Take care and see you soon.